Well, hello guys, legoshowtv here, and I'm doing another Lego Hidden Side set. This is 70430 NewBury SubWay, 348 pieces, ages 8 plus. Characters are Spencer, Jack, Parker, Pete Peterson, and the app has Rat Sean. Here you can see the front of the box. See the back of the box with the features of the set. Let's take a look at the set once it's built. Alright, so here's everything we get in the NewBury SubWay, and we'll start off with taking a look at the set itself. Alright, so here is the set itself, and as you can see, there is a SubWay car here, and as you imagine, you can play with it just a little bit by rolling it up, and it becomes a monster. That's right. There is a sticker right there. There is a sticker right there. And the mouth opens, and it's supposed to be a possessed train car. And over here, we got a little section. We got a sticker right there. Sticker right there. I think that's a printed piece. We have a little sticker right there on that board. Got a little area right there where you can come in. And you also got this little area, of course, with the little game thing on the side. And there's not much else to this set. There's just not much to the set on the back here. You do have a few stickers on the back, but that's not too much, and you can just move it back down like that, front to back. You can see you can put a minifigure in there like it's getting eaten, like the figure is getting eaten. But yeah, that's about it for the set. Now let's take a look at the figures. It'd be a hidden side set if it didn't have a bunch of ghostly green pieces for when you possess a character. It wouldn't be a hidden side set without them. And Spencer, of course. So now let's take a look at the figures. Alright, so we do have a bike for Jack here, but you can see Jack's alternate facial expression. You can see his torso detailing, leg detailing, and facial detailing, of course, with the alternate face, as I have said. And then if we take off the hood there, you can see his happy side, and then you can see the back detailing. So yeah, that's about it for Jack here, and I expect you guys to know how to put him on a bike. So yeah, now let's move on to Parker. Here's Parker. She's on a skateboard there. The skateboard does have a sticker. You can see her leg detailing, her torso detailing, and her facial detailing. She does have a new style of hair piece. And then you can see the back detailing and back facial detailing. And the skateboard sticker is not that impressive. So yeah, not very impressive there at all. Just a basic sticker, I guess. So yeah, now let's move on to the last figure. I guess this is just a ordinary SubWay worker, and you can see his torso detailing, leg detailing, and then the facial detailing. And then if we switch it around, you can see the back detailing and no back facial detailing. And as you can see, he also has a monster form, because he is actually the villain of the set. So now let's go on to the ratings for the set. Alright, so on to the ratings for this set. I'm going to give this set a 10. I really do like it. I think it is a pretty cool set. and I hope they make more sets like this in the future. So yeah, if you did enjoy, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Goodbye.